Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can adjust your backlight settings and your backlight brightness on your Garmin Fenix 7 series watch. But instead of showing you how to do it on the watch, I'm going to be showing you how you can do it in the Garmin Connect app on your cell phone, and then you just sync that information over to your watch so you don't even have to touch your watch to do these settings. If you are interested in doing it on the watch, I have done a video in the past that walks you through the ways to do this on the watch. But for now, let's get on our cell phone, let's go to the Garmin Connect app and look at how we're going to do it. Okay, so as I mentioned, now I'm on my cell phone. Now I'm an Apple user. It shouldn't matter whether you're an Apple or an Android user. The one thing that we have to have is we have to have the Garmin Connect app on our cell phone. I'm going to go ahead and go into Garmin Connect. And then once we get in, if we look at the bottom right section, there's three dots that say More. We're going to click on More. We're going to swipe up until we see Garmin devices near the bottom. I'm going to click on Garmin devices. And then in my case, you should see all of the Garmin devices you've got connected to your Garmin Connect account. So in my case, I've got the Fenix 7X Sapphire, Solar Sapphire. I've got the Instinct Solar. I'm going to click on the Fenix 7. And now I'm essentially in the settings for my watch that I can control from my cell phone. And all we're going to do is we're going to sync those settings over to my watch. So in this video, we're looking to adjust our backlight brightness, so we're going to go to the very bottom, we're going to click on System, same navigation we would use on the watch. We're going to go to System, we're going to go to Backlight, and now we can get into our backlight settings. So I can choose during activity, for general use, or during sleep. I'm going to go ahead and do general use. You'll notice that once I get in, I can adjust the brightness, so I can change the brightness of my backlight, set it to 50%. I can choose whether or not the backlight turns on or off whenever my keys are on. I can choose whether or not the backlight turns on during alerts, so on and so forth. The same settings that you can do on your watch, you can do from your cell phone. Once you've got it set the way you want, you're going to simply click on the back button. If your watch is connected to your smartphone, it should automatically be making those changes over to your watch. If not, you can click on the sync button up at the top on several screens and it will sync all of your settings over to your watch, and you've successfully adjusted your backlight configuration using your Garmin Connect account, your Garmin Connect app for your Garmin Fenix 7 watch. As always, I hope the video helps. Thanks for watching.